wake up before daylight, just as I always do. Coffee on the tailgate, morning breaking through. Turn on that TV noise, hear another plan. Sounds real good in theory, till it hits a working man. They say take it from the top, spread it all around. But I've seen that kind of thinking tear a small town down. You push till people leave, then wonder where they went. Now the lights are flickering and nobody's paying rent. You can raise the Stavka, you can draw that line, but there ain't much left when the well runs dry. Steal from the rich, give it all away. Sounds good in a headline, feels good to say. But when the money packs up and it heads on south, what's left for the ones still standing around? Yeah, you can cheer it on, call it fair for all, but you can't build a thing when the big beams fall. It ain't hate, it ain't a jobless jab, it's a simple question. Who's gonna pay when there's nobody left to tax? I saw storefront windows boarded up on Main. Places that were busy now don't have a name. Boss man shut it down, couldn't make the math. Took his tools and trucks and didn't look back. One man leaves, takes a dozen jobs, then the diner closes and then the barber shop. School cuts teachers, town cuts lights. Now you're holding rallies in an empty night. You can shout it loud, say it's overdue, but the ones who stay gotta carry it through. Steal from the rich, give it all away. Sounds good in a headline, feels good to say. But when the money packs up and it heads on south, what's left for the ones still standing around? Yeah, you can raise your voice, say it's justified, but the truth doesn't bend just cause it feels right. It ain't left, it ain't right, it's just facts. You can't fund the world when you chase off the backs. Ain't against a man getting help when he falls, ain't against a voice or a righteous call. But there's a line between lifting up and burning down what built all of us. Opportunity, that's the deal we made, not tearing down every brick that's laid. Steal from the rich, now the rich are gone. Now the jobs dried up and the lights ain't on. All that noise doesn't fill those cracks when the whole damn system starts collapsing back. Yeah, you can chant all day, wave your sign, but this world still runs on the working kind. And the truth rings out no matter the task. If you drive them out, there's nobody left to ask. Someone's gotta build it, someone's gotta stay, and someone's still gotta get up and go to